Desolate. Empty, and without people, making you feel sad or frightened. They looked out on a bleak and desolate landscape. Ballast. Heavy material placed in a ship to make it heavier and keep it steady. The ballast keeps the ship steady. Disperse. To move apart and go away in different directions. The fog began to disperse. Phase. To confuse or shock someone. She wasn't fazed by his comments. Compunction. A guilty feeling about doing something. He lied to his parents without compunction. Complacency. A feeling of being satisfied with yourself or with a situation. Despite signs of an improvement in the economy, there is no room for complacency. Caliber. The quality of something, especially a person's ability. He was impressed by the high caliber of applicants for the job. Entreat. To ask somebody to do something in a serious and often emotional way. Please help me, I entreat you. Dissection. The act of studying something closely. Your enjoyment of a novel can suffer from too much analysis and dissection. Antiquated. Old-fashioned, and no longer suitable for modern conditions. The antiquated heating system barely heats the larger rooms.